In primetime news this evening, foreigners squeezing out locals, contractors in Western Jamaica sound off about alarming hiring trend.
Time to get tough. Experts want strict enforcement of road safety rules as road crashes hit worrying levels.
And the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been plunged into mourning following the death of 2 officers in Clarendon. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those locally or overseas on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, almost every day you hear Jamaicans talking about the cost of living, and Statin has released data showing that the cost of goods and services increased by 6.5% for the 12-month period ending August. That and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And he's a man in black tonight. Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports.
Yeah, perhaps reflecting my own feelings about the cost of living, Archie, but coming up in Primetime Sports a little later on, Craig Butler, very united, and the Jamaica Football Federation seemingly again at odds. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
Touché. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the policies outlined by the opposition leader at the PNP's annual conference on Sunday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us in News in Detail right after the break.